whenever ready.
This is not a test. This is reality.
Isa-isa, i-distribute siguro isa-isa.
Oh, okay. Ayan, the flame keepers, the officers, dito kayo vlog.
Who's in the house?
Okay, dyan na lang siguro.
Who's in the house? Who's in the house?
Good. Right. Those members go back to your seats because I want the officers to be serving this cake for each and everyone of you. Again, on behalf of the officers, the family members, and the gatekeepers of United Kingdom. Welcome and thank you for gracing our 37th founding anniversary. A true Skeptron believes in the service and honor to God, for it is only through Him, the Almighty, that we have came, we saw, and we conquered thee. The true Skeptron believes in service to the country, for a true Skeptron believes that blessed are those men whose hearts and whose land are one. The true Skeptron believes in service and adoration to the family, as it is said in the Skeptron's way of life. Be a respectful and an obedient son or daughter to your mother and father. Be supportive and be cheerful to your friends, to your brothers and sisters. Be a doting parent to your children and be an inspiration to your partner. The true Skeptron believes in hard work in the profession and in the academe, because it is only through this that we can serve our brothers and sisters and this organization with superiority. The true Skeptron believes in Alpha Kappa Rho, the fraternity that has bonded us with life for a lifetime of brotherhood, service, leadership, equality, and the search for truth. Skeptrons of United Kingdom, let us all arise. Give it out your all, heart, mind, and spirit. Let the whole world know that the Skeptrons and Alpha Kappa Rho is alive, strong, and mighty in United Kingdom. Let the whole world hear the battle cry of every Skeptron. Long live Alpha Kappa Rho!
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 This is your family. This is your community. This is your fraternity. Alpha Kappa Rho. Loved by a few, hated by many, but respected by all. Long live!
Long live!
God bless AKP. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Happy birthday,
Acro! Happy birthday, Acro! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Acro! Happy birthday, Acro! Happy birthday, Acro! Happy birthday, happy birthday! birthday! Happy birthday, Acro!
Happy 37th founding anniversary, Alpha Kaparo! Gawin!
Brad! Sabay-sabay mag-group.
Sabay-sabay mag-blow.
Brad, kuha kayo ng ano dito. Meron pa.
Brad Ryan. Brad.
Ano, tuloy, para mag